What if I told you that here in about 10 years, this is going to be one of your main sources of income? What if I told you if you don't figure this out, you will not be able to make income? What if I told you if you are inept here, you won't have a future? You won't be able to provide a living for yourself. Like, it's crazy to think that, right? Because in my generation, we were somewhat raised to believe that getting your picture taken was a taboo thing. It's like, I don't want to be on camera. Now people are getting paid thousands upon millions of dollars because they know how to take selfies, create skits, create a drama series. They are very well versed with this tool. And it's not a toy to play games on, but it's a tool to where they can recreate, reframe, repurpose because they are being authentically them, right? You know, when I say be you, dream big, and don't settle, I'm starting to realize how our influencer community does just that. They are authentically them, at least the way it looks like, okay? They are authentically them. They're dreaming big and they're not settling for anything because the way they show up, like homeboy, he got a $1 billion contract. I saw him in Bad Boys. I saw him when I was flying to Kenya and back. I'm like, man, homie's getting paid just being creative. Like, who said that that would be able to provide a pretty decent livelihood off of doing just 30-second to 1 minute clips of yourself just being authentically you? Like, this is our future. This is going to be how we're going to make money in the next 5 to 10 years, especially with AI. AI is coming to disrupt a lot of livelihoods. But if you have the ability to use this as a tool, I think you're going to be all right. I think you're going to be just fine because when I was talking to one of my clients, they were saying like, man, like I never thought of marketing in a way that I needed to message things in a way that when people saw it, they could take action from it and they can learn from it and it be something that they could always receive something for free and they would know how to get in contact with me, right? They were talking about all these different things and I was like, well, yeah, what do you think it was for? They were like, well, I was just going to record something and just upload it. I'm like, yeah, and they were like, I know. I understand it now and I get it. But they were like, you know, people in my industry, they believe that because we weren't taught with it. We weren't raised with it. And I get it. Kids of this era, this generation, they don't know how to use it like that either because I do believe our creative ability has been stripped from us. I believe that we have been indoctrinated to believe that we are more powerful if we can follow instructions rather than create. I'm not saying being rude, disrespectful, disobedient, belligerent, militant. I'm not saying none of that, right? But if we can create a product, a service, right? You know, some people may call this entrepreneurship, and put that out there in the marketplace, and somebody buys it. Look, you have a phenomenal idea. Your MVP, your minimal viable product works and people want it. So why not put yourself out there? Like, why not be authentically you? Why not dream big? Why not put yourself in a place to where you can live a life of your dreams and your desires? Don't settle. Like, don't put yourself in a position of where you're not be able to live a life off of this device here in about 5-10 years because look, you know, from this device to one of these devices, right? This is going to be how we earn an income because at one point in time, people said, no, we're not ever going to use the computer for a healthcare or education, right? It happened, right? It happened. So I'm just saying, like, why not? Why not start thinking about putting yourself out there? Why not think about creating a personal brand? Why not start thinking about creating content that you love to put out there and distribute to the world and see what happens? Like, what is it going to hurt? Like, your ego, your pride? Like, and who really cares? Like, if you put yourself out there, who knows what will come back, especially when you're being authentic. You're going to start having fun. You will. if you're being authentically you. When you're yourself, and it seems so cringy at times to say authentic, right? That's why I just say be you. Like when you like, because I used to not want to be authentically me because I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna make people feel. But I'm like, there are people out there that don't care how people feel, and they're getting paid, and they're being mean about it. They're being disrespectful. I would say, in some ways, they're just breaking the law. I know when it comes to sinning, that's a whole nother story, but I won't go there. We won't go there tonight. But I just think what would have hurt, especially the way we're going in this future, this smartphone is going to be your key that's going to open the door to how you're going to make money in the near future, very near future. So what are you doing to getting ready for that time? When that time comes, are you able to be yourself on this device? Are you able to communicate the message? Are you able to tell a story? Are you able to be fluent in this tool, the utility we call a smartphone, and then be proficient enough to make money from it, what we call now influencers? Because at some point in time, your personal brand will be on display. If it's not 5, it's about 10 years, because a side hustle is going to be the main hustle. What do you think? If I'm wrong, let me know. But I would love to hear your thoughts, because I think we're going to be going there in the next 5 to 10 years.